Hey there! Website personalization is a super hot topic these days. It can really get your customers engaged and increase your conversion rates. But let's be real, it can also be a bit complicated and overwhelming. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be. In fact, personalization can be pretty simple. Let me give you an example. Think of it this way. You're throwing a birthday party and inviting 25 friends. How many different cakes should you make? You've got sweet lovers, savory lovers, gluten-free peeps, vegetarians and so on. What do? You've got three options. The first option is to make one type of cake for everyone. This is the easiest solution, but you'll only please a few friends. The second option is to make 25 different cakes, one for each person. This is great for your friends, but impossible for you. It would take too much time and money. And the last option is to make 3 different cakes. This is the perfect balance. Almost everyone gets a cake they like, and you can keep complexity, time and costs to a minimum. Now take that same idea and apply it to website personalization. You don't have to personalize for every single visitor. That's like baking 25 different cakes. Instead, create a 3-cake website. Identify the main visitor segments that come to your website and personalize the website for them. This is called segment-based personalization. It's a simple and effective approach to website personalization that really works. So forget about building generic one-size-fits-all websites and beware of the hyper-personalization trap. Go for segment-based personalization instead. And if you want to implement segment-based personalization without all the complexity, you should check out Prepr CMS. It's a game changer for engagement and conversion.